Let me ask you something honestly. If you have been learning English for years, why do you still hesitate before speaking? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't fail at English because they are bad at it. They fail because they never had a plan. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple, realistic English learning plan for 2026, even if you are starting from zero. No fancy apps, no five-star study routines, just a system that actually works. And yes, this is the part nobody explains clearly. Step 1, stop learning English. Yes, stop learning English. Here's a mistake number 1. People usually say, I want to learn English. That's not a goal, that's a wish. Instead, ask this: what do I do to do in English by the end of 2026? For example, speak confidently on phone calls, crack job interviews, travel without fear, create content in English, talk to clients or colleagues. Your brain learns faster when it knows why. And if your goal is unclear, your progress will be invisible. Step 2, build the three-layer English foundation. Most learners jump straight into speaking. That's like trying to run without learning to walk. Your 2026 plan needs three layers. This is very important. Layer 1, input, listening plus reading. This is where English actually enters your brain. Daily 10 to 15 minutes of listening. It could be podcast, YouTube videos, short English clips, English movies. 5 or 10 minutes of reading. It could be tweets, short articles, simple stories. Don't try to understand every word. Please understand the message. Keep it simple. Layer 2, structure, grammar without pain. Here's a myth. People say grammar is boring. Trust me on this. No, grammar teaching is boring. You only need tenses that people actually use. Sentence structure, common mistakes. Think in patterns, not in rules. That's a problem. Example: he is having a car, he has a car. This is so simple. Now you know he has a car is correct. Small correction and big confidence. Layer 3, speaking plus writing. This is where fear shows up. So start small and safe. Daily practice. Speak to yourself for 2 minutes. You can record it if you want. Describe your day, repeat sentences aloud, write 3 lines daily or 4 lines daily. Fluency comes from usage, not perfection. But here's the scary part: you don't need more confidence to speak, you need more speaking to get confidence. Now, step 3 is create a 30-minute daily English routine. Yes, just 30 minutes and you're done. Here's a powerful 2026 routine: 10 minutes of listening, 10 minutes of grammar or the sentence structure, 10 minutes of speaking or writing. Consistency beats intensity. Trust me on this. Doing this for 300 days will change you forever. Step 4. Real English is required, not book English. Textbooks don't teach this. You need daily phrases, common expressions, idioms people actually use. For example, let me get back to you. That makes sense. I'm not sure about it. Are we on the same page? This is the English people recognize. Step 5. Take progress the smart way. Most learners quit because they feel stuck. So track signals, not marks. Ask yourself weekly: am I understanding more? Am I pausing less? Am I thinking faster in English? Progress is silent until one day it shocks you, right? I mean, it's kind of a thing, it works, right? Let me tell you this clearly: 2026 doesn't need to be another year of I understand English but I couldn't speak. You don't need talent, you need perfect pronunciation or something, or somewhat consistency. Start small, stay regular, trust the process, and don't forget to follow English Company. Will help you.